This is Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here today with an Artistic Studio Creation Design Team project. I'm using the G45 Garden Goddess collection again, and it is still available at the store, so that is good. And this one measures about 5¼ by 4¼ or 4½. And I use one of the chipboard pieces with glossy accents on the front, along with some Recollections and Prima flowers. And then some, I think these are Martha Stewart these are Recollections flatback pearls and some stickles. I use one of the tags from the tags and pockets. And then one of the cut aparts on the back. I used Coordinations, I think. I'm pretty sure it's Coordination 65-pound cardstock and medium weight chipboard. I got this sheer ribbon from a swap, and this is where I put the expandable envelope in this mini album. That is all the way extended, so you can see how that looks. And then if you want to flatten it, that is it flattened, so you can see there's plenty of room. Now, this is a pocket and tag album, so it has 8 pages, all the same, all with pockets. In the front there is a card that you can pull out, and as I was doing this, I had a really great idea. You can do one of two things, and since this is the Garden Goddess collection, of course you can do it with any collection you have, but I thought it would be a perfect gift for seeds, flower seeds for like Mother's Day. You can take the seed packets and you can do one of two things. You can put the one seed packet in each pocket. You can even use the paper collection to make little pockets for the seed packs. So you could put up to 16 things of seeds in here. I wouldn't use anything that's any real thick seeds. Or you can put seed packets in this back pocket and leave the tags in the pockets, which I think that's what I'm gonna do, just because I know, like, I spent quite a bit of time putting the tags in the journaling spots in the pockets, and I don't think that I want somebody else to be tasked with that. Of course, they can mix them up however they want. So there's 8 pages, it's a 2-inch spine. So after they use their seeds, which I think I'll just, stick in here. After they use those seeds, then they can put pictures of their flowers or maybe dates that they planted them. They can put like a picture of the seed packet here and the dates that they planted them, and then they can journal about them or put pictures on the tags. So that's kind of what I was thinking. I think it would be a great Mother's Day present. So hopefully you guys agree. Each page has a pocket, and then there's also a pocket in the side of the page here that has a photo mat in it. And of course you can journal on the back. And then the tags range from 2 to 3 tags. Sometimes there's just one, and then there should be a journaling spot or journaling tag for at least one. Well, it looks like I took it out of this one, but there's 8 journaling spots in here total. So some of the little tags have little flowers on them, some of them have ties on them just to give a little bit of, variation. So yeah, I just think this would be a great gift. Mother's Day is coming up, so and we made all the tags on our tag punch board. It was really nice to use the punch board with my scraps, not really having to think about how do I make this tag out of this? You just take whatever scrap you have, put it on the right line and then split the difference on the hole punch and punch it in the middle. So that was nice to use that. I even used scraps of pattern paper, not just the scraps of the cardstock. So essentially it makes quick work of making tags out of your scraps. So I have a whole ton of them there, a whole ton of scraps over there that I think I'll probably go ahead and do that too. And then that way if I need a tag for anything, it'll be like ready. I like the tags with the flowers, but I didn't want to put flowers on all of them because it would just bulk up the album. And, you know, they have pictures and stuff that they're still going to put in here. And if that, if you leave that pocket expanded, there's enough room for pictures, but not a whole lot of room. Did I pull that one out? There we go. Journal card. This. And of course the expandable pocket that I have a tutorial on. I'll link that below. And then the back of the album. So there you go. Cute little album, like I said. I think it would be a great present for Mother's Day, and it would be a great present to put some seeds in so that you can document your garden. So I hope all of you guys have a great day, and check out Artistic Studio Creations, or ASC by Crystal, on her Etsy store and on Facebook. I'll leave the links below. Have a great day, and thanks a lot. Bye-bye.